This is a brand new Pulse yo-yo right out of the package. I'm going to show you how it works and then demonstrate the bearing axle system. Sleeps nicely. Off the dog. Off the cradle. Around the world. Very good. Let's take a look at the inside of this yo-yo. You twist the top off. You want to make sure that the axle, which you see right here, recesses as you turn it off. That means the axle is pointing up. You can see now that you can't see the tip of the axle, so we're on the right side. Just turn this over like this, and then you see there's a washer on top. Take that off, and then there's a bushing. Now the bushing is smooth on the top and grooved on the backside to fit up against the bearing. You can take the string off. We'll try to take the string off with the bearing here so we don't have to rethread it later. The bearing is reversible, and then we have another bushing here, but we can't get that out, so I'm just going to tap that out like that. Again, you'll notice that it's smooth on one side, and the side that goes up against the bearing is grooved. Now you notice that there's also what appears to be a washer, but that isn't removable in this yo-yo. And also there's a fixed nut on the other side that's underneath the plastic. So that's how the setup goes. So to reassemble it, you just put the bushing in back on. Make sure to have the groove portion up. We're going to just slip the bearing and the string back on. Like I said, you could take the string off, but this makes it easier. Second bushing on. Make sure that you put it with the groove down. And then finally we're going to put the last washer on, and then put the yo-yo back together. Tighten it down, but don't make it too tight. Notice that the string moves nicely on the bearing. Now we'll make a loop at the end of the string, put it on our yo-yo finger, and wind the yo-yo up, the string up, and go try this out. Sleeps nicely. Rock the cradle nicely. Good job, nicely. Around the world good. A little sleeping beauty. All good. I hope this is helpful in your understanding of how the bearing system is assembled. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and press the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.